to Amore Group. Amore Group is a group of licensed and local builders with many years of design and building experience. We build quality prime homes, duplexes, townhouses and granny flats that fits well within your budget. We specialize in knockdown and rebuild, single story, double story and split level. We provide design, approval, construction and finance. We provide affordable construction, free site inspection, fixed price contract, and there are no hidden costs involved. We also provide home loans, car loans, commercial loans, SMSF loans, and asset loans with 100% success rate. We are the best real estate services provider in Australia. We advertise sale of your property, we sell at premium price, we don't charge any cost up front. Contact us for sale and purchase of your property. Get a free quote today. Looking forward to working with you.